I am S.B. Misra, going to teach you the set theory for class 11. This is part 2. Continued example number 3. X belongs to 2 to 10. 2 closed hai, you have to take 2. 10 open hai, not to be taken 10. So 2 liye, 3 liye, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 tak 10 is not taken. This is open. Likewise, X belongs to 2 to 10. 2 is open, 10 is closed. So 2 is not taken. So 3 to 10. Now, example, write all subsets of 4. Let A, set A is a set having one element. A is equal to 4. Na is equal to 1. Number of member in set is 1 or n is 1. So the number of subset is equal to 2 to the power 1. 2 subsets. The first subset of this is blank, second is 4 itself. So I have written 2 subsets. Now what is PA? PA means power set. If A is a set, then the power set of A is denoted by PA. Is collection of set of all subsets of A. Now PA is equal to the 2 sets. The 2 sets are kept in a curly bracket. So the PA is collection of this and this, or you can write PA is equal to, this is 5 and this is 4 simply. Write all the subsets of 2, 3. Also find PA. A is equal to 2, 3, so Na is equal to 2, so n is equal to 2. So the number of subset is 2 to the power n, this is 4. Subsets are 4 subsets, you have to write blank 2, 3, 2, 3 itself. So in the power set, I have kept all 4 sets inside a big bracket, again curly bracket. So next, write the subsets of A is equal to minus 1, 1, 0, 1. Also write the power set weight. Yes, A is equal to this, so Na is equal to 3. 3 members are here, so the number of subset is 2 to the power 3. So you have to write 8 subsets, starting from blank, then minus 1, then 0, then 1, then pairwise, then all. So the power set of A is collection of all these subsets. All these subsets have been collected in a curly bracket. Now write all the subsets of this and this. Be more careful. First of all, learn power set of a set of subsets. Power set is a set. पावर सेट एक ऐसा सेट है जो सारे सबसेट को कंटेन करता है. सबसे पहले ये देख लो, इन द अबव एग्जांपल द मेंबर्स आर 1 and 2, 3. एक मेंबर 1 है, एक 2, 3 itself. दिस इज नॉट 2 and 3 सेपरेटेड. मेंबर्स आर नेवर 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 आर नॉट द मेंबर्स. मेंबर्स आर 1 and 2, 3 combined. So 1 is a member of A, 2, 3 is a member of A. 2 is not a member of A, 3 is not a member of A separately. Now A is equal to 1, 2, 3. Let 2, 3 is equal to X. इसको X मान लो और आराम से देखो 2 members are there. So the number of subset is 2 to the power n, 4. So we are going to write the subset 1 X से blank, then 1, then X, then 1X. Put the value of X is equal to 2, 3. So the subsets are blank 1, 2, 3. X का वैल्यू 2, 3 और एक ऑलरेडी ब्लैक ब्रैकेट है और यहाँ पर 1X, 1 और X. सो पावर सेट इज ए कलेक्शन ऑफ ऑल द सबसेट्स ओवर वेट. नाउ A is equal to 3, 4, 5, 6 which are true. There are 3 members. Let 4, 5 is X. Then 3X, 6. So Na is equal to 3. So the number of subsets is 8. 2 to the power 3, 8. So the subsets are blank 3, X, 6 pairwise and then all. Now 3 is a member of A. यहाँ देख सकते हो 3 is a member of A. यहाँ पर 3 is a member of A. X is a member of A. X यहाँ माने हो X is a member of A. And if you are putting the value of X, 4, 5 is a member of A. 6 is a member of A. 6 is a member of A. 4 is not a member of A. 4 is not visible anywhere. So 4 is not a member of A. 5 is not a member of A. Hence, for A is equal to 3, 4, 5, 6. 3x6 where x is equal to 4, 5. These are the subsets. Blank, 3x, 6, 3x are all the subsets. The symbol of subset is smaller than equal to. These are the subsets. Note that the member of set A are 3, 4, 5 and 6. 4, 5 is taken as a member, hence 3 belongs to A. 3 A में है, यहाँ देख सकते हो 3 A में है, 4, 5 combined A में है, 6 A में है. When the members are kept inside the curly bracket, subsets are formed. Now note the two symbols. Union. Union means you have to take all the elements of all the sets. Intersection means you have to take common elements of all the set. Wait. Example second. A is equal to x such that x is prime number less than 10. Prime number starts from 2, then 3, then 5, then 7. So less than 10 prime are this. Factors of 8 B. In the B, factors of 8 are 1, 2, 4, 8. Find A union B, A intersection B. A union B. Write the value of A, then put the sign of union, then B. Take all the member without repetition. Likewise, A intersection B. Put the value of A, then B. And take the intersection. The common is 2, so 2 is the answer. Now 6. 6 is the high order. You already know that x is a member of 1 to 5. Closed है. तो 1 भी लिए, 2 भी लिए, 3 भी लिए, 4, 5. All are taken closed. Closed. This is open. Now 1, 5. Neither 1 is taken nor 5 is taken. It in between all are taken. X belongs to 1 to 5. 1 closed है तो 1 taken, but 5 is not taken. 1, 5. 1 is open. So 1 is not taken, but 5 is taken. In between all are taken. Now see. The problem is this 2, 4. Or A, if A is equal to 2, 4, B is equal to 3, 5. Find A intersection B. The answer starts from here. A is equal to 2, 4. 2 not to be taken, 4 not to be taken. So 2 not to be taken, 4 not to be taken. ये ब्लैंक है, देखो डार्क नहीं किए हैं, खाली स्पेस है सर्कल के अंदर. ये भी खाली है, इसलिए है कि हमको 2 और 4 नहीं लेना है, ना 2 लेना है ना 4 लेना है, बीच में 3 लेना है. इसी को हम लोग 2, 4 कहते हैं. 2, 4. अब बी देखो यहाँ पे बी में है 3, 5. 3 taken, 5 not taken. 3 taken dark, 5 not taken not dark. बीच में 4 है, उसको भी लेना है. So this is called 3 to 5. 3 taken, 5 not taken. Now A intersection B. दोनों में जो कॉमन है, दोनों में 3 देखो, दोनों में कॉमन है डार्क. 3 कॉमन है, 4 कॉमन है लेकिन डार्क कॉमन नहीं है. 4 है ब्लैंक. So this is the answer of A intersection B. 3, 4. 3 taken, 4 not taken. Now A union B. All are taken from A and B. You have to take 2. Just see 2. 2 not taken. So 2 not taken. Then 3 dark है, 3 taken. 4 dark है, 4 taken. 5 is not dark, 5 is not dark. So the answer is 2 to 5. Neither 2 taken nor 5 taken. This is high order thinking problem. Difference of sets very easy. A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 6. B is equal to 1, 2, 4, 8. Find A minus B, B minus A. A minus B, put the value of A minus B. Cancel the common element, whatever left inside the first 3, 6 answer. Now in this B and then A, cancel the common element. The left element is 4, 8 over